Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an interesting topic to discuss that can help you take care of your precious eyes: eye exercises. In today's digital age, our eyes are constantly exposed to screens and other visual stressors. These exercises are designed to improve your vision, reduce eye strain, and promote overall eye health. So, let's dive into the world of eye exercises and give your eyes the attention they deserve. Before we begin with the exercises, let's talk about the importance of maintaining good eye health. 1. Vision improvement. Eye exercises can help strengthen the eye muscles and improve focus, coordination, and visual acuity. They can be especially beneficial for individuals experiencing nearsightedness, farsightedness, or astigmatism. 2. Reduce eye strain. Prolonged screen time and other visual activities can cause eye strain, dryness, and fatigue. Eye exercises can help alleviate these symptoms and provide relief from digital eye strain. 3. Eye muscle flexibility. Just like any other muscles in our body, our eye muscles also benefit from regular exercise. Eye exercises improve the flexibility and mobility of these muscles, supporting optimal eye movement and coordination. Now that we understand the importance, let's explore some effective eye exercise techniques. 1. Eye blinking. Eye blinking is a simple yet powerful exercise to refresh and lubricate your eyes. Blink your eyes rapidly for a few seconds, then close them and relax. Repeat this process several times to keep your eyes hydrated and reduce dryness. 2. Eye palming. Eye palming is a relaxation technique that helps soothe tired eyes and relieve eye strain. Rub your palms together to generate warmth, then gently place them over your closed eyes. Take deep breaths and allow the warmth to penetrate your eyes, promoting relaxation and rejuvenation. 3. Focus shifting. Focus shifting exercises help improve flexibility and coordination between your near and far vision. Choose an object in the distance and focus on it for a few seconds. Then, shift your focus to an object closer to you, such as your finger or a pen, and hold the focus for a few seconds. Alternate between near and far objects, challenging your eyes to adapt and focus smoothly. 4. Eye rolling. Eye rolling exercises help improve eye muscle strength and flexibility. Look up towards the ceiling and slowly roll your eyes in a clockwise direction. Repeat this circular motion several times, then reverse the direction and roll your eyes counterclockwise. Let's move on to exercises that improve eye mobility and coordination. 1. Figure 8 tracing. Imagine a large figure 8 shape in front of you. Use your eyes to trace the outline of the figure 8, smoothly following the imaginary path. Continue tracing the figure 8 for several repetitions, focusing on precision and smooth movement. 2. Eye convergence. Eye convergence exercises help improve eye alignment and depth perception. Hold a pen or pencil at arm's length and focus on the tip. Slowly bring the pen closer to your nose while maintaining focus. Once the pen becomes blurry, move it back to the starting position. Repeat this movement several times, challenging your eyes to converge and maintain focus. Let's explore exercises that strengthen the eye muscles. 1. Near and far focusing. Hold a small object, such as a pen or a finger, close to your face. Focus on the object for a few seconds, then quickly shift your focus to an object in the distance. Continue alternating between the near and far objects, challenging your eyes to adjust quickly and efficiently. 2. Eye tracking. Choose a moving object, such as a bouncing ball or a pendulum, and track its movement with your eyes. Follow the object's path smoothly and accurately, training your eyes to track moving objects with ease. Congratulations! You've completed a series of eye exercises that can improve your vision, reduce eye strain, and promote eye health. Now, let's move into the cool down phase. Cool down, eye massage. Host. Gently massage your closed eyelids using your fingertips in a circular motion. Apply light pressure and focus on relaxing the eye muscles. This soothing massage helps increase circulation and relieves tension around the eyes. Thank you for joining me today in this eye exercise routine. Remember to incorporate these exercises into your daily routine to maintain good eye health, especially if you spend long hours in front of screens. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tips on maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Take care of your eyes, and they will take care of you. Until next time, keep exercising those eyes and enjoy the gift of clear vision.